Hello, welcome back to Defense Info, a one step solution for all your defense need. So, friends, today I bring you the information regarding the SSB interview from 20th May to 24th May 2021. It was at the 21 SSB board at the Selection Center Central, Bhopal. Batch number is PTGC 72042 and it was for the technical graduate course 133 IMA entry. And friends, in that particular day of 21 SSB board, the reporting was 37, out of which 25 were freshers, 5 were screen outs, and 7 were repeaters. Now, talking about the PPT picture shown over there was two character, one male and one female, adult, both were adult, and it was in the neutral frame. And girl was sitting on a chair and was holding a pen, and a boy was standing in front of her. The OIR level was easy, and you will find in that mostly the question were from the cube basis, which means which one of the following categories belong to the group A, like this type of questions. And friends, there 12 got screen in, out of which 6 were repeaters and 6 were freshers. So this was the batch, friends. This is the batch photograph, and you can see 12 got screen in from this batch. Now, talking about the day 2 thematic apperception test. So TAT 1 to 6, the first TAT was two school kids searching for something and trees in background. A man walking in a stormy weather, and third was a man in a cabin with an open suitcase having documents. Fourth was two men on two opposite side of the river and mountains in background. Fifth one, grandmother and a young mother standing beside a boy who is sitting on a chair with his hand on a forehead, both in negative mood. A man of father's age pulling and dragging a child with his hair. Two more men, one young and one old, trying to stop him. Now, talking about the 7 to 12th picture, 7th was the kid having a stone in the hand, and one of them having his hand on his head as if hurt with a stone, and tree is in background. 8th one, an army officer sitting on a chair and a soldier standing in front of him in attention position. Ninth, a factory scene with lot of machine and a worker and a manager in the picture talking to each other. 10th one was a young man and a woman talking to each other on the roadside and building a bus stop in background. And 11th one was the 3 to 4 students or school students, kids, enjoying a local log made boat in river or sea. And 12th one, as it is, you know, friends, it is a blank slide where you have to write a picture, a story of your own. Now, talking about group discussion, topic number 1. Topic number 1 was what will cause World War 3. So the lead point were natural resources, religious issues, या land disputes. Now, talking about the second topic of the group discussion, reason for drastic cases in COVID second wave. So it was because of government negligence or the public got complacent. And third is, if you know it, you can just drop down in the comment box. So lecture topic were communism in India and outside of ideology, cyber security, importance of discipline in life, UNSC, that is United Nations Security Council, and Naxalism in India. So in this batch, friends, only one got recommended. He was a repeater and chess number was 9. So congratulations to him, and special thanks to Rahul Yadav for providing this whole information to us so that we can make the video on this topic. And thank you, friends. If you are like this video, just hit the bell icon below and subscribe our channel for latest information, and do share our videos among your friend for information and awareness purpose. So till then, guys, meet you very soon.